Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. In the previous class, the last one is polyvinyl chloride. Its uses, one is used in making raincoats, handbags, vinyl flooring, water pipes. So small part is left. Now we have to note down the points. Pause and note down this. So we know that these are the all addition polymer, and whatever we discuss, maximum homopolymers are there. And all these are maximum linear polymer except LDPE, remaining all are linear polymers. Next, natural rubber. Natural rubber. Now, you maybe know that eraser, that is the latex obtained from the rubber tree. The latex, it means that is like milky type product will come, that is called latex. Otherwise, some trees also, if you make a cut, then you will get some liquid. That some are maybe very thin, some are maybe thick also. So some latex comes from that rubber tree, that is in colloidal form. You may be observe the solution. In laboratory you have the solution, mean add salt into the water, then you will get a clear one phase solution. It means there is no differentiation solid liquid, only salt added means soluble, then you will get only liquid. It means that salt particle, it means solute particle size is very smaller. Then colloidal particle mean what is that? The size will be bigger. So that is called colloidal solution. Now gum also one of the colloidal solution, milk also one of the colloidal solution. So these are colloidal form, means the size of solute particle is somewhat bigger, we can see with our eyes. So colloid meaning what is it? The particle size is bigger than the true solution particle. Solute particle size is bigger. Again, surface chemistry one chapter is there, there you will know this concept, don't worry. What is a colloid means, separate topic also is there in the surface chemistry chapter. So now a latex obtained in the form of colloidal dispersion. Note down. A latex is obtained in the form of colloidal dispersion in water. But competitive exam purpose, the question they will link with the surface chemistry, this colloidal form is positive or negative. Then this is a negative form. Keep in mind, this is very important for NEET and JEE mains level. This latex obtained from the rubber tree, that is negative or positive in negative form. Again you can check in the surface chemistry, there also is this there. So this negative form. Okay, for example, this is a tree, consider rubber tree. Like when you make a cut like this, from this you will get this liquid in the, you can collect from the some separate vessels. So this is called latex. This latex is in the form of colloidal form, mean this is the particle will be appear bigger size. If you take the salt solution, liquid mean water only appear, salt particle will not appear. But here the solute particle will appear like milk only. For example, milk mean in that somewhat this particles will be appear. Or gum, that gum also come from the tree, that is also in the form of colloidal form only, that is. So this is called rubber tree. Rubber tree is available in this world. There some countries names are given, that remember India, rubber trees present in India, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, South America, Malaysia. I remember like this, whatever you can add any code. ISIS mean one, what do you call, terrorism, ISIS, like this. So India, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, South America, Malaysia. This is generally the terrorism is due to Muslim, not actually, whatever that condition, don't consider in the form of that. So I remember in that way, that is. So ISIS, okay. So like this. Now You have to remember this. In India, it is present in Kerala, not Karnataka, Kerala. Okay, it is present in Kerala. So sometimes they may ask that question, what is the scientific name of this rubber tree? The scientific name of rubber tree is Hevea braziliensis. Spelling you check from your botany, Hevea braziliensis. Maybe textbook not given in that. You have to collect from your botany, otherwise in Google also you can search, then spelling you will get Hevea braziliensis. Okay, because competitive exam purpose important, PS board exam level not important that name. Whatever present in your textbook, that is board level important. Okay, now this latex contain monomer is isoprene. What do you call this is? Isoprene is a monomer. Its formula is CH2 double bond C, CH3 single bond CH1 2 double bond CH2. See, this is a monomer. Its common name is isoprene. But IUPAC name, what is it? Numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. At which position methyl is there? 2. 2 methyl. 2 methyl buta 1,3-diene. In old books, 2 methyl 1,3-butadiene is there. I given which one? Buta 1,3-diene. In old books, 2 methyl 1,3-butadiene. Both are same only. Anyone write first? This is according to new rule. Okay, so 2 methyl buta 1,3-diene. This is a monomer. Common name, what is that? Isoprene. This is in bond line notation represented like this: double bond, where? Like this. CH2 double bond C, CH3 single bond CH double bond CH. This is bond line notation, because you don't want to confuse in examination. They may give bond line notation or like this also. Anyone, you have to follow this exactly. This is a monomer. This monomer polymerization, then carefully observe. Carefully you have to observe. This bond will be comes to here. This bond will be comes to here. Clear? So this pi bond form here, then it is double bond. This is positive, this is negative. This positive formed with the next molecule, this negative form bond with the next molecule, because we are taking N here. Okay, so now carefully observe. Don't confuse, carefully. This is what is that? CH2. This is now single bond. Then what is that next? C. Then what is that here? CH3. Then this is which one? Double bond. Next, what is that? CH. Then you have to write CH. But this is cis form. Whatever the polymer formed, that is which one? Cis form. Very important. Then natural rubber is cis form or transform mean this is cis form. This is the most important. Cis form mean what is that? Similar groups are same side to the double bond. So here what is that? CH2. Then here also CH2 required. So now CH complete. Next what is that? CH2. You can write up also, you can write down also. Down is cis, up mean trans. So we are not writing the trans, we are writing which one? Cis form. This is only stable form for this. Therefore this is CH2. Clear? So keep in mind, this is cis 1,4-polyisoprene. Isoprene is which one? Monomer. Add poly mean polymer. Poly remove, then you will get which one? Isoprene. Isoprene is a monomer. So now this is, then what is the meaning of 1,4-cis? You understand, because to this double bond CH2 same side is there. Clear? Therefore cis. What is a 1,4? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Now this is one molecule. Another molecule I want to write here, CH2, CH3, double bond, CH. Otherwise this H we can write like this also, no problem, bond, and this is CH2 like this. Clear? Then this is which one? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is bond form, because already I told you that this is negative. Bond form is the next molecule. Bond form. This is with the next molecule bond former. This is with the next molecule bond former. Clear? Like this, how many will be there? One more molecule if you want to write means CH2, CH3, double bond, CH, CH2, next molecule bond form like this. Any one molecule take here. This is I am taking because this is taken N. Clear? No need to write all this. Only one right taken N also. For your understanding purpose, I added left, right also. Which form this is? Cis form. 1, 4 mean this is 1, this is 4. Addition. Clear? 1, 4 polyisoprene. So this also called head and tail bond formation. This is 1 mean head, 4 mean tail. This is head, this tail. Okay? Head and tail bond formation this is also. So this is 1,4 polyisoprene. In your textbook, all words, whatever again I am explaining very clearly, you have to remember, because all these questions are asked in the previous whatever they conducted exam, maybe CET level or NEET level or JEE Mains level, maybe in Karnataka or maybe Andhra or maybe Delhi or maybe Uttar Pradesh. In any one exam, these questions are asked. These are fixed questions. These are. So keep in mind, this is cis 1,4 polyisoprene. This is which one? Natural rubber. This homopolymer or copolymer? This is homopolymer. Homopolymer. Here I am not discussing about the trans form, but one name is there for trans form. Trans, this is only stable. Note, cis form only stable here. Trans 1,4 polyisoprene is also known as gutta-percha structure. Gutta-percha structure. So they may ask for competitive exam purpose. That purpose only I am writing this. But keep in mind, if they ask natural polymer is cis or trans, cis form. Note down very clearly that point. Here two are appearing, then which is mean only cis, that only. This is cis structure. This keep in mind. Natural rubber is cis form. Many times I am stressing this word. Natural polymer is cis form, not trans. Another trans form may exist but is unstable. But another name, what is called? Trans 1,4 polyisoprene name is called gutta-percha structure. Clear? Then that time structure, what is that? This CH2 goes here. This H will come here. Just reverse this. CH2 up, H down. That is called CH2 opposite. Okay, that is called trans form. That time methyl same side, then some repulsion, that is unstable form. Therefore, cis one only more stable. Clear this is? Now, this natural polymer properties, whatever the obtained from the rubber tree, that properties are raw rubber. Now rubber tires are there, car tires, bus tires are there. They are which one? Vulcanized rubber. Whatever the latex obtained from the rubber tree, and that is called that eraser. If you take the eraser, you can easily break down with your hand also. It will easily break down. If you put in water, then it will be swell, because it is water absorbing capacity. Observe or not? Maybe not observe. You can check also. Little bit, at least it may absorb the water. And what is the less elastic nature? Yes or no? So these are the raw rubber property. What are that? High water absorption capacity, brittle nature. It means easily break down, soften on heating at above or greater than temperature, so forgot, maybe nearly 353 above Kelvin temperature, otherwise see in your textbook may be given, and harden below harden on cooling less than 283 Kelvin temperature. This temperature is correct, but this is once you check correct or not. Okay, and These properties are not improved properties. If this is brittle nature, if you make tire with this rubber, if you go 1 kilometer, then rubber tire totally collapse. Yes or no? Therefore, what you have to do? Improve its properties. Okay. So to improve its property, what you have to do? Add something, then its mechanical property may improve. Therefore, to improve its mechanical property, use vulcanization. This is very important, vulcanization of rubber. This is very important question from this chapter. Very, very, very important. The first important goes to this heading, vulcanization of rubber. So what is a vulcanization of rubber? Raw rubber heating with the sulfur vulcanization of rubber mean what is it? Raw rubber heating with sulfur and some additives. By adding some additives at nearly 370 to 415 Kelvin temperature. That is called vulcanization of rubber. Very, 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 very important this is. What is the vulcanization of rubber? Raw rubber heating with the sulfur and by adding some additives at this temperature. Okay. So any small maybe changes this 1 or 2 points that you can check from your textbook. So this temperature is you have to maintain. So this is called vulcanization of rubber. Due to vulcanization of rubber, whatever this is there, what do you call, weakness, that will be improved now. So this rubber tire, now tires made by adding 5% of sulfur. So this is also one time asked, how much sulfur is added in this vulcanization of rubber? Mean 5%. If you add 45%, that is called ebonite. This word you may be heard in the physics. When you rub ebonite with the silk, then you will get the generation of electricity. That word you may heard in the physics. Okay. So ebonite meaning what is that? Ebonite meaning 45% of sulfur used. 45% of sulfur used in vulcanization. Okay, that is called ebonite. This is not there. This is there in your textbook. Okay. So now mechanical properties are improved. Clear this is? So this is about the natural rubber. But where this sulfur will be linked, now you know that CH2 single bond CH3 CH2. This like this line given meaning what is there? Like this chain will be continuation is there. Okay. Here also like this chain given meaning what is there? We are not properly defining this is. Some chain is there but not properly defining. Okay. And now actually you know that, remove that. So when this bond comes to here, this bond out, then we are getting double bond where? Here. Now this pi bond removed and here sulfur is linked. So sulfur bond formed at the active side, pi bond easily break down. Therefore, that is active side, here bond form. This sulfur, same CH3 bond CH, CH2 not properly defined, this is CH2 like this. So sulfur bond formed at the active site. So this also may be given in your textbook. So sulfur bond formed at the active site of this monomer or polymer. Okay. So two examples are given. One I wrote here. So this is very clear about the natural rubber. Next one we are discussing about the synthetic rubber. These are natural rubber. Okay. So keep in mind what you have to remember. Collided dispersion form, negative form this is, and in which country this is available rubber tree? This India, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, South America, Malaysia. And what is a monomer? Monomer name is isoprene. This common name, this is IUPAC name. When it is polymerized, then you will get the which one? Cis form, that is called cis 1,4 polyisoprene. Trans form is known as the gutta-percha structure. So raw rubber having some weak points, weak properties. To improve that, we are using the vulcanization. Vulcanization definition is very important for board level, and this temperature and this percentage are important. And sulfur added at which point? Active sites of that polymer. So next one is, and one more point also I told you that this is homopolymer. Next one, synthetic polymers. Synthetic polymers. In these synthetic polymers, three polymers are there. One is Buna-S rubber, Buna-N rubber, neoprene. Buna-S rubber and Buna-N rubber are copolymer. Neoprene is a homopolymer. Which one you want first? Homopolymer or copolymer? Then put that heading synthetic polymers. First heading is synthetic polymer. Synthetic polymer means man-made polymers. In that homopolymer, one, neoprene. Neoprene, also known as a polychloroprene. Polychloroprene. Neoprene or polychloroprene. Poly remove. Poly remove. Then what you will get? Chloroprene. Chloroprene which one? Monomer. So isoprene you know. Now only we discuss. What is isoprene name? 2-methyl-1,3-diene. Chloroprene, what is it? Methyl position, chlorine is it, remaining same. 2-chloro, CH2 double bond, Cl, CH double bond, CH2. Then what is the name of this is? Simply it is called chloroprene, common name. Otherwise IUPAC name is 2-chloro-buta 1,3-diene. This is IUPAC name. Okay. Now if you take N mole, then here polymerization. How to write the polymer structure? CH2 single bond, Cl double bond, CH single bond, CH2. Due to this positive charge bond form with the next molecule, due to negative charge bond form with the next molecule. Taken N. This is called neoprene. Students confuse here only. Neoprene is a polymer name. Chloroprene is a monomer name. Polychloroprene is a polymer name. So don't confuse here. Neoprene is a polymer. Chloroprene is a monomer. Isoprene is a monomer. Polyisoprene is a polymer. So these are some confusion. Therefore you have to read carefully. And this also known as which one? Polychloroprene. Homopolymer or copolymer? Homopolymer. Homopolymer. Now its property is, it is superior resistance to vegetable oils and mineral oils. Superior resistance to vegetable oils Veg oil I wrote here, you write vegetable oils, and mineral oils. Vegetable oils and mineral oils, therefore used in, what is that, oil seals. 1 minute, I will check that oil seals or not. Buna, yes, Buna. Conveyor belts. Conveyor belts and hoses. Hoses meaning what is that? A long flexible pipes. Hoses meaning, note down, long flexible pipes. Gaskets. You know the gaskets mean in pressure cooker one rubber will be there. That is called gaskets. Okay. So this is a use of neoprene. Next one is, this is homopolymer. Remaining two are the polymer, synthetic polymer. They are one, what do you call? Buna S rubber. Buna S rubber. This is also rubber. So don't think this is not the rubber. This is rubber. Only how many rubbers are there? One natural rubber and three synthetic rubber. One is neoprene, Buna S rubber, Buna N rubber. Only three rubbers are there in our textbook. Okay. So compare with the natural rubber, synthetic rubber's elastic nature will be greater. Okay. Now your hair band will be there. Which one that is? Synthetic. So if you apply some force, its length will be doubled. But in natural rubber, no. So that is synthetic rubbers are somewhat better, improved properties than the natural rubber. So that having elastic nature. So now Buna S rubber. In this Buna S rubber, what will be there? Carefully observe. CH2 double bond, CH single bond, CH double bond, CH2. What is the name of this one? Buta 1,3-diene. In old books like this given 1,3-buta-diene. So anyone follow, no problem. So this is one monomer. This is N time I want to take here. Another one is, what is that? CH double bond CH2. Okay, styrene. This is called styrene. So once you have to check here in your textbook, because this is very important. Now this CH2 bond link with the CH double bond or CH2. Once give the textbook, because this is very important. So which of the following structure is correct? Like this they may ask. And CH only, take CH only. So now whatever I wrote, that is correct only. Now carefully write. How to write this is also N. This pi bond shifted here, this pi bond shifted here, this pi bond shifted to here. Now in this polymerization, whatever they given, first write it. CH2 single bond, CH, CH, CH2. This pi bond comes here, therefore here double bond, and this is negative, this is positive, negative positive bond form, then CH single bond, CH2 at this position, benzene, like this. This is a benzene. Now this is positive bond form with the next molecule, this negative bond form with the next molecule. Whole total taken N. Now this polymer is homopolymer or copolymer? Copolymer, because monomer units are different. So what is the name of this one? Buna is a scientist name. Yes, indicating styrene, because styrene used here, styrene rubber. This is copolymer. Copolymer. Then what are the uses of this? Because somewhat properties are improved, therefore this is used for cable wires, used in cable wires, and footwear components, floor tiles,